Welcome to our first episode of The Worst of Amazon. This is where we compare the worst cleaning products to the ones that we recommend. First up, we have robot vacuum cleaners. Hi, I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. So today, we're going to be comparing this from Amazon with a 0 rating to one of our fantastic options. It will set you back £20, but how does this compare to our recommendation? First up, let's look at the specs. At £295, the Roby takes all the stress out of sweeping and vacuuming. It's 3 levels of HEPA filtration and it's 6 motors, means it's not fazed by much at all. The brushes at the front enable it to get to corners and other hard to reach places. Its powerful suction pulls it through the HEPA filter system, collects the dust, enabling you to empty it later. At just 8 centimetres tall, it can pass under most low furniture. Its 2 wheels allow it to make an easy transition from carpets to hard floors. Plus, its anti-fall sensor will prevent it from taking an unexpected trip down some stairs. From a full charge, you can expect 120 minutes of robotic vacuuming. And when the battery gets down to 20%, it will automatically return to its charging station. As for the worst robot vacuum cleaner on Amazon, it has a 10-minute battery life, extremely weak suction, and it has a single wheel, if you can even call it that. These 3 things do not fare well for it, but let's see them both in action. As you can see, the Roby finds it easy to pick up dust, dirt and more. It navigates with ease and does a great job of vacuuming. On the other hand, the worst of Amazon robot can barely even get moving. And when it does, it gets stuck with ease. Even when we place it on top of the dirt, it does little to pick anything up. And when the battery goes flat, we're left with a serious trip hazard. In our test, it doesn't even move. There's no wonder it's the worst rated robot on Amazon. If you have any questions about these robot vacuum cleaners, please drop us a comment below. I'm Andrew from Hygieia, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs, where we recommend the worst cleaning products. The brushes at the front, the powerful suction, its 2 wheels allow for an easy transition.